Say some more to it. Are you gonna talk to it? What else? What else do you have to say to that monkey? What about the parrot? What are you gonna tell? That was good. What about the giraffe? What are you gonna say to the giraffe? You don't know about the giraffe? What about the froggy? What do you need to tell the froggy? Good job, Jack. What are you going to tell Mommy? How do you say I love you and baby? Oh, that was a good one. That was good. Any more to say? Does that mean that's all, folks?